What is up, everyone? Stop what you are doing right now because this video could literally change your financial situation starting today. Today we are diving deep into how much money can you make from crypto airdrops. I have been doing this for months now, and I want to share everything I know with you. First, let me explain what crypto airdrops actually are. An airdrop is when a cryptocurrency project gives away free tokens to users. They do this to promote their platform and attract new users. The beautiful thing is you do not need to invest any money. You just complete simple tasks and earn tokens. I want to stop here for a second because this is super important. Now let me show you exactly how I use Phantom to claim airdrops on Optimism. The first thing you need to do is download Phantom from the official website or app store. It is completely free. Once you have your wallet set up, you will get a wallet address. This is like your bank account number for crypto. Step 1 is to find legitimate airdrops. I use dedicated airdrop tracking websites to find new projects. Always look for projects with real websites, active social media, and clear white papers. Never trust airdrops that ask you to send crypto first. Step 2 is to connect your Phantom wallet to the airdrop platform. This is safe as long as you are on the official website. You just click Connect Wallet and approve the connection. Step 3 is to complete the required tasks. These usually include following on Twitter, joining Telegram, and sometimes testing the platform. Each completed task earns you points or tokens. The pro tip that most people miss is to join airdrops as early as possible. Early participants usually get more tokens because the supply is larger before other users join. I set alerts for new project launches so I can join within the first few hours. Another strategy is to use multiple wallets. You can create several Phantom wallets and join the same airdrop multiple times. This multiplies your earnings without any extra effort. Now let me talk about avoiding scams. If an airdrop asks you to send crypto to receive crypto, it is 100% a scam. Legitimate airdrops never require payment. Also be careful of fake websites that look like real projects. Always double-check the URL before connecting your wallet. Let me share my real results. Using these strategies on Optimism, I have earned over $250 in the past 3 days alone. My biggest single withdrawal was $75. I transfer everything directly to my bank through a crypto exchange. The key is consistency. I spend about 15 to 20 minutes per day, checking new airdrops and completing tasks. That is it. The rest happens automatically as the tokens accumulate in my wallet. And there you have it. My complete strategy revealed. Now the ball is in your court. The link is in the description. Join for free. Connect your wallet. And start earning. Thousands of people are already doing this and getting paid daily. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe. See you next time.